Welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a notice writing. Donations for earthquake victims in Myanmar. Notice number, date. Notice. The students are informed that our school is organizing a donation drive to help the victims of the recent devastating earthquake in Myanmar. Many families have lost their homes and belongings, and our small contributions can bring them relief and hope. Students are requested to donate generously in cash or kind, such as clothes, blankets, or food items. Please deposit your contributions to your class teacher by December 5th, 2025. Let us come together and extend our helping hands to those in need. Countersigned by own name, Student Secretary, countersigned by the Headmaster. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.